Hello and welcome to the German sausage maker. I will show you some different grinders and tell you about the difference between those, and you might be interested in that. Well, this is one of the oldest ones I got, and this is a hand-driven grinder. The different parts. Okay, this is the main housing, this case, and I'm not sure how you call it. It's so this goes in here like this. This is one of the, or this is the knife actually. Okay. See, you make sure the sharp side is this one. You so you face it. This is the second part. This is the plate where the knife works on there, and it's cutting whatever goes through the holes. It will be cut on the front side. Okay. Put this together. This has a what do you call it? Sorry about my English. I lose it. So this goes right here. So it prevents the plate from turning. When the knife on the other side turns, it doesn't move. Close it. And basically, all the grinders work that way. So this turns and moves the meat to the front through the knife and the plate. You can mount it to a table. Always make sure you not put your fingers in there, because you might lose them if you're still turning, so, or somebody else is turning. So always keep them on top. The other ones, the electrical ones, usually it's deeper, so you're not reaching with your fingers all the way down. So that makes it a little more safe. Okay, we go to the next one. It's an electrical grinder. This is my old reliable grinder I have for more than 30 years. Okay, this is similar to the other one. The knife, the plate. See, when I put it away, I put some of the oil on there so they're not rusting, but it gets tough after a while, so didn't use it for a while. Again, almost similar to the other one. except we got some sealing right here so the meat doesn't go back into the mortar. The knife, sharp side to the outside, or the cutting side to the outside, like this. This is a little different. See the noses on both sides. Go in here so it doesn't turn. Close it. Don't close it too tight. You might turn this when you turn on the mortar. Has a hard time to get the knife around, so you have to play around a little bit so you find the right tension. Good about this thing is cleaning. You can remove it and clean it. Take it apart like this. Okay, we've got 2 more knives here. By the way, these parts are from aluminum, so never put it in a dishwasher. You probably don't like the way they look when you get them outside. Never been the same that it was before. This is galvanized steel. It's, well, we use it in Germany for decades, maybe centuries, I don't know. And that doesn't any harm. But the aluminum is a little bit creating problems. So probably they go away from that sooner or later. Because it, if the grinding goes on, it will take some material off and it goes in the sausage, and well, it's not a healthy way to do it. But like I said, I did it for 30 years. I can tell that it wasn't, that I get sick of it. I guess there are some other ways to get sick here. Okay. And now I get my newest one. This is heavy baby. Same as this one, except a little bigger. One of the differences, this is stainless steel. This is the plate, and this is the knife. If I compare this to the other one, you notice there is a difference. And we got, at the grinders, we got different sizes. This is the size 8, this is the size 22. Don't ask me why it is that way. But there are also a 5, and there's also a 32, which is bigger than that one, and the 5 is smaller than this one. So if you go by the number, and usually all the machines with that size get the same plates that fit, but there's no warranty, because this one has the nose going in there, and this has the noses what goes into the housing. So that you have to check out before you buy any knives and plates, so make sure they fit in your machine. You see, this knife has a curve when it cuts. This is probably better cutting than the straight one. The other one was straight. That will work, but this is for the bigger size. This is probably better than the other one. See, this is a little bigger. Everything stainless steel, very solid. The only problem with this machine is to clean it. So you have to go with a big brush inside, brush it out, and that way you clean it. Some of the machines got a screw on the side so you can remove it. Here you have to lose 6 screws if you want to demount it for cleaning. But in this case I would try to clean it when it's mounted on there. It's a little bit more work. See, this is very massive, very heavy. So it should last for a long time. I hope so. Just bought this one. Did not use it so far. Oh, don't forget the knife. You see the nose is on top, so this goes like this. And the recipe in the beginning is more important than the kind of machine you use. This is a cutter I use for very fine grinding of a sausage, like liver sausage or white German sausage, all the kinds what are very fine cut sausage. Here's a knife. You can remove it. Because you have to, there's safety down here. It's a switch, so make sure it's closed. And another safety, you have to put the lid on, put it in here. There's another nose going. in here to, when it's open, to put your hand in there, and you don't want to make sausage from your finger. Okay, this is, it has 2 speeds, and you can do a pulse, so it's like a mixer. Okay, that's it so far from the grinders and cutters. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of it, and I would appreciate a thumb up and maybe some comments to tell me what went wrong or what was okay. Okay, see you next time. The German sausage maker. Bye bye.